As soon as he walked into that kitchen, I was like, he is definitely someone I want to get to know and interact with, because he was just so much joy, so much light into cooking.
I genuinely was so fascinated by his story, by everything that he has done in such a short amount of time.
How genuine he spoke, as well as how connected to the times and us.
I think he was an incredible person to come in, especially as Folk College transitions into college of sport. Having him as an alum, but also having played college football here, he kept everyone engaged throughout the whole lecture and made people laugh.
I remember tasting it, and immediately I called my best friend, like, yo, come through, we gotta win it. Came through, validated, my taste buds were correct.
He taught me while making the meatballs, like how to aerate the meatballs more to create like sauce to seep in. I had never thought of that before. Even just like a simple technique as that can change the flavor of food.
I think my biggest takeaway was he kept going back to his 70-20-10 rule, which is 70% your main focus, your job. For me, it would be school.
And then 20% into something that you would like to learn how to do and do that well, so that you can switch around your time when the time comes. So for me, that's kind of internships and job opportunities.
And then 10% of just whatever you want to do. And I think as a freshman coming in, I think that really solidified my routine here.
That was really interesting, in hearing his philosophy on how he goes about his work.
First thing I thought was like, he started his restaurant off of meatballs, and I was like, I asked him one of the questions, I was like, why meatballs? Like, why would you choose? Like, it's always interesting to learn what the chef's like meaning and reasoning behind it. Always a great story to ask the person or whoever's running the restaurant, what is your passion? What is your story behind all of this?
For me, food was just always that thing that I used to heal people or to be healed.
Having the Christy Lecture Series, it's an amazing opportunity for students within Folk to not only meet other guest speakers, but also other students, but also professors who come to these lectures. It's just another point to just bring Folk College together. And it's only like a 2-hour thing, and you get amazing food, which is a total bonus.
Hearing from these professionals shows me different areas I can go into, and learning their pathways and learning from what they did.
Having these opportunities like this is so different, and it's exactly what I've been looking for.